of this one. I really appreciate the effort your NGO is taking. What is your intention? It is really very unique, what I find, because till date I have not received, so many people are coming here, but not with this type of intention, because whoever is coming, first they are asking about the charges. So many people have come for the counseling sessions or for this type of test what you have conducted today, the aptitude test, but there is certain charges. That is very difficult because every time you cannot ask the children to pay the money or the institution will not. But this type of things we found first time, and this is really, I really appreciate it. And what are the things you are doing it, what you are talking about the career counseling and all, it is very, very important. Because what I am finding nowadays, the children, they are not very much clear about what they are going to do. And parents have the mind block. Most of the parents are coming only with the thing that the child will go for the science stream. We have started our college. We have not added art stream because we are not getting a single student for that. My son is there also, and he has opted art stream. And the first question what I got from every side, people are asking me what he is going to do in future. Because people think if a child is going to opt arts, he is not going to able to do anything, he will be nowhere. But what I want you people to do, that just tell the parents, call the parents first and talk to them regarding the options, that how many options we have, not only the engineering and doctor. We have so many options that child can opt, they can take, because some children, all children cannot be a topper. Every child is unique child. Some child, they are very bad in study, and what happened when the parents are telling they are useless, but no child is useless. Some are very good in painting, art, animations, but parents never think that this type of hobbies or this type of their skills will do anything in their future. So what I think, if you call a parents meeting and counsel them about this, if 5% also it will work, a great work you people are doing. So I am very, very happy what you all are doing, and I am giving you all the best wishes. Keep it up. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.